When you're creating a document for students, it's best to remember that students often can't open Word documents because they either can't afford the software or they don't have the most recent version like instructors often do at the college. So the best option is to save your Word document not as the most recent version, which in this case you see it as a .docx, which is a 2007 or 2010 version. Save it as an older version of Word, or save it as an RTF file. A rich text file is a file that can be opened in any word processor, including the open source software. So if I wanted to save it as an older version of Word because of some macro or something I have running, I can save it as this example here, Word 97 to 2003, or I can type it in R and save it as a rich text file. Now something else to keep in mind is that if you don't have to keep your formatting like this, and in general your formatting is okay, but you don't really care what format it's in, the best option is to create your document as a web page. So if I click on my page and hit Control A, and then I hit to select all, I do Control A. To copy, I hit Control C. Now let me go over to Word, and I'm going to make a Moodle web page and paste all of this information in there. Under my resources, I'm going to compose a web page. And on this page, all I have to do is I've copied my material. Most of my formatting will come over with that, so that saves me a lot of trouble. Click up here on Name. I'm going to type this, call this just Pig because it's about a barbecue. Go to my full text section. And in my full text section, just do Control V, and everything should paste there. Now, in my table here, I did have a table. It adds a different, a second line, but I can go into my expanded section and delete that out. So if I go to the very top, you can see that for the most part, all of my information is the same. If I go to the bottom of the page, hit Save and Display, you'll see that this formatting looks almost virtually the same as it did in the Word document. And in this format, students can access it very quickly. It's a very small file, and any student can access it, and it also prints very easily too. So as you can see here, my formatting is just about the same as it was over here in the Word document.